welcome back to our channel. It's me, Danya,
Naya, Tanya.
So today we're gonna be doing the Coke challenge. It's not this Coke. We're gonna show you a Coke exploded volcano. So let's get started into it. We'll explain at the end what materials do you need to do this. Okay? So let's get started to it. You need to open this. Once I open the pan. Okay. Now all I have to do here's how. All I have to do is now throw this inside. Oh my! It should dissolve now.
It's a volcano.
Oh my God!
What the?
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it. Don't. Oh, what's on it? It's trying to get out.
So guys, now we're gonna explain what equipment you need. You see that blue thing? You might know what it is. It's aerial. If you don't find Mentos to use it, use it on the Coke. And I had a rule. If you want to use Coke and make it a big explosion, get a big can, like how we did. Because before we tried a small can, it just did like this, and then this is with. So note this, that you need a big can, not small can. And if you don't find Mentos anywhere, just get Ariel powder for the washing machine. So there's a few words we have to say. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. It would be really helpful for all of you people to subscribe to our channel, because we really need to top up our thing, because we only got 1 subscriber and 99 views. So, and even can you subscribe to the other channel called Dalia, Leona, and Selena. Be sure to subscribe to their channel and give them as much likes as you can. Bye.